Is Beetlejuice back from the dead?
47 shots.
The following message has been translated by the order of myself and the United States government. I repeat, this is not a test. This is not a test. All residents are hearing the message are ordered to head inside immediately. And to not look at this guy. There remaining reports some ghost creature was spawned across near Los Angeles. This ghost creature name was described like to call himself Beetlejuice from the Halloween movie. If you're seeing this suspect, call 911 immediately. Soon the United States will be mine.